Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Nikon camera cleaning kit is probably one of the most important investments you can make to protect your camera equipment, ensuring its longevity and maintaining the quality of your photos and videos. This video will provide an in-depth review of this essential kit, covering its features, ease of use, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your photography needs. Number 5. Camkix Camera Lens Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to keep your camera lenses spotless. It's perfect for DSLR, compact, or action cameras. With a variety of tools, it ensures your camera is always clean and ready to capture stunning images. Say goodbye to dust and smudges. This reusable air blower provides a precise stream of air to remove dust and dirt from your lenses and camera sensors. No batteries or refills needed. The cleaning pen features a brush for dust removal on one end and a reusable, non-drying cleaning element on the other. It's incredibly convenient and effective. This kit includes 50 sheets of high-quality cleaning paper, ideal for gently removing dirt, grease, and fingerprints from your lenses. It's safe for coated lenses. The included microfiber cloths are perfect for polishing your lenses after using the cleaning spray or paper. Their soft, non-abrasive material ensures a streak-free finish. What we like. This kit has everything you need for a thorough cleaning. It includes refills for long-term use, saving you money in the long run. If you value a variety of tools and worry about damaging your lenses, this is the best choice for you. What people say. The air blower is solid and works well. Lens cleaning pen is surprisingly nice, smooth action, decent brush, nothing to fault. Tissues are good enough to serve their purpose. All of the items in the kit work well. The lens cloths are soft and do a good job wiping my camera lenses clean. The brushes are soft and thick. The lens paper is a normal size and weight. The blower gives a good stream of air, helpful for dislodging tiny particles. The rocket blower works as well and generates just as much airflow as other more expensive versions that I own. The lens pen cleaner has a reversible tip that allows you clean both lenses and viewfinders, and that is a very nice touch for such a modestly priced product. Number 4. Camkix Camera Lens Cleaning Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to keep your camera lenses spotless. It's perfect for DSLR, compact, or action cameras. With a variety of tools, it ensures your camera is always clean and ready to capture stunning images. Say goodbye to dust and smudges. This reusable air blower provides a precise stream of air to remove dust and dirt from your lenses and camera sensors. No batteries or refills needed. The cleaning pen has a brush on one end for dust removal and a special cleaning element on the other that won't dry out. It's the ultimate convenience. The kit includes 50 sheets of lens cleaning paper, perfect for removing dirt, grease, and fingerprints. It's safe for all coated lenses. 5 soft microfiber cloths are included for a final polish. These are ideal for use after the cleaning spray or paper. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides all the essentials for cleaning your camera. It's designed without wasteful refills, making it an environmentally conscious option. If you prefer a sustainable and convenient solution, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. My favorite tool is the air blower, then the lint-free lens cleaning tissues, and I'm very pleased with the included alcohol-free cleansing solution. All of the items in the kit work well. The lens cloths are soft and do a good job wiping my camera lenses clean. The brushes are soft and thick. The lens paper is a normal size and weight. The blower gives a good stream of air, helpful for dislodging tiny particles. The rocket blower works as well and generates just as much airflow as other more expensive versions that I own. The lens pen cleaner has a reversible tip that allows you clean both lenses and viewfinders, and that is a very nice touch for such a modestly priced product. Number 3. 18-in-1 Professional Camera Cleaning Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for a thorough camera cleaning. It's designed for efficient and safe cleaning of your valuable equipment. It's not just for cameras. It easily cleans lenses and other delicate electronics like phones and computers. This innovative tool tackles dust and smudges on lenses with ease. Its dual-ended design makes cleaning quick and simple. From large to small, the different sized brushes reach every nook and cranny. They're perfect for cleaning hard-to-reach areas. Everything is neatly packed in a convenient storage case. Take it with you wherever you go, ensuring your equipment stays clean. With this kit, maintaining your camera's pristine condition is easy. It's a valuable investment in protecting your equipment. What we like. This kit boasts an extensive collection of cleaning tools to tackle various cleaning tasks. The multiple brush types allow for precision cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. If you need a budget-friendly option with a wide range of tools, this is the one for you. What people say. Everything worked perfectly. I used the swab to clean my sensor, worked perfectly, came out spotless. I used the bulb to keep everything dust-free, and used the brushes to do the same. Everything came packed well, haven't had a single issue with this kit, and don't think I will. Exactly what I expected, and has a lot of extra stuff you wouldn't normally think they would put, extra microfiber cloths. A nice carrying case. This kit cleaned my camera very well. It works just as described. There are so many pieces for your money and it was very durable. Number 2. Altura Photo Cleaning Kit. This kit is your all-in-one solution for keeping your valuable camera equipment clean and in top condition. It's designed for ease of use and includes everything you need for a thorough cleaning. Our lens cleaner is gentle yet effective, ensuring the safety of your camera's delicate lenses and LCD screen. It's completely free of harsh chemicals. The kit includes a 2-ounce spray bottle of lens cleaner, a cleaning pen, brush, air blower, cleaning tissues, and microfiber cloths. Everything you need for a professional clean. It's safe to use on all camera brands and models, as well as other sensitive electronics. You can trust it to clean without damaging your equipment. With this comprehensive kit, professional level cleaning is now within everyone's reach. Keep your equipment looking and performing its best. Regular cleaning is essential for maintaining the quality of your images. This kit makes it simple and convenient to keep your camera in pristine condition. What we like. This kit features a high-quality, alcohol-free cleaning solution that's gentle on your camera's delicate surfaces. The included microfiber cloths ensure a streak-free finish. If you prioritize a gentle, streak-free clean and prefer alcohol-free solutions, this is ideal for you. What people say. The included natural cleaning solution is gentle yet effective, leaving no streaks or residue on the lens. The microfiber cloths are soft and high quality, ensuring the sight remains scratch-free. The air blower is perfect for gentle removal of dust from delicate sensors and lenses. It's powerful enough to dislodge debris without any contact, which is essential for camera safety. The included lens cleaning pen is a lifesaver, with a soft brush on one end to remove dust and a non-liquid cleaning element on the other end to remove fingerprints and smudges without residue. The microfiber cloths are a game changer. They are incredibly soft and leave no scratches or streaks on my lenses or LCD screen. The kit has all the products you need to keep your cameras clean. You can break it down for use in several camera bags. Number 1. Altura Photo Professional Cleaning Kit. This kit has everything you need to keep your camera and lenses spotless. It's perfect for both full-frame DSLR and mirrorless cameras. The included sensor swabs gently remove dust and debris from your camera's sensor. It's designed for full-frame sensors, ensuring a thorough clean. Our unique cleaning fluid uses natural ingredients to clean effectively without streaks or damage. It's safe for all lenses and electronics. This kit includes everything you need: swabs, cleaning fluid, a blower, brush, tissue paper, and a microfiber cloth. You'll be ready for any cleaning task. The included hard case keeps all your cleaning tools organized and protected. Take it with you wherever you go, ensuring your camera is always ready. Keep your camera and lenses in pristine condition with this comprehensive cleaning kit. It's a must-have for every photographer. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for cleaning full-frame camera sensors. It uses an all-natural cleaning fluid, making it safe for sensitive electronics. If you own a full-frame camera and want a safe and effective sensor cleaning solution, this kit is perfect. What people say. The kit itself is housed in a nice carrying black case, which is key to keep everything clean and organized. It also fits into my camera bag, which is a plus, so it's always ready when I need it. The cleaning solution is safe for all lens and it has done an amazing job cleaning everything from the lens glass to the camera body and sensor. Seriously looked like a mirror finish when I was done. The microfiber cloths are very high quality, and this is of critical importance. One is a bit smaller and thinner, good for the small 1.5-inch eyepieces and filters, the other is bigger and beefier, perfect for the 8 lens. No micro scratches, and it removes smudges with ease. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.